Have you ever stopped to wonder how small we are in the vastness of the universe? I think it is something for everyone, and today we're diving into the heart of the Milky Way, a place full of secrets, wonders, and cosmic phenomena beyond our wildest imagination. Let's jump in and explore the wonders of our galaxy. Let's start by putting Earth into perspective. You've probably stood on solid ground and marveled at the vastness of the world around you. But when we compare our planet to the size of the Milky Way, Earth's enormity suddenly feels like a tiny dot in the vastness of space. Earth's diameter is about 8,000 miles, but the Milky Way stretches across a mind-blowing 100,000 light-years. If you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross from one end of our galaxy to the other. Just imagine that, 100,000 years. That's such an enormous distance, it makes our planet feel incredibly small in comparison. It's humbling, and yet it's part of something so much larger than ourselves. Here's a comparison that might surprise you. When you think of the Milky Way, you probably picture countless stars scattered across the sky. But did you know that Earth has more trees than there are stars in our entire galaxy? There are about 3 trillion trees on Earth, compared to the 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. That's 3 trillion, with a T, more trees than the stars above us. It is amazing to think that nature on Earth has created such an abundance of life, even surpassing the stars in the Milky Way. It reminds us just how much life exists here on our small planet. Now let's venture to the heart of the Milky Way, where an invisible force lurks. A cosmic monster whose power shapes everything around it. I'm talking about the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's center. This beast, called Sagittarius A, weighs about 4 million times the mass of our Sun. While we can't see it directly, because no light can escape its grasp, its immense gravity pulls everything around it, from stars to gas clouds and even entire solar systems. It's like the galaxy's hidden engine, an invisible force keeping everything in motion. It might be invisible, but its power is felt everywhere in the Milky Way, making it one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring objects in the universe. Now, you might think that within our galaxy, planets are rare, but it turns out they're much more common than we ever imagined. Using a technique called microlensing, scientists have found that the average number of planets per star is actually greater than 1. In fact, there are likely 10 billion Earth-sized planets scattered throughout the Milky Way, and over 1,500 planets within just 50 light-years of Earth. With more planets than stars, the possibilities are mind-boggling, and most of these planets are Earth-sized, worlds like ours, just waiting to be explored. Who knows what we might find out there? And finally, let's talk about a phenomenon that's truly magical. The birth of stars. Deep within the Milky Way, there are regions where stars are born right before our eyes. This happens in what we call stellar nurseries. These regions consist of massive clouds of gas and dust where gravity pulls the material together, giving birth to the new stars. One of the best-known stellar nurseries is the Orion Nebula, a place where new stars are lighting up the galaxy even as we speak. It's like a cosmic baby factory, where new stars are being born, lighting up the universe with their brilliance. And the best part, these stars are still being created today, adding more light to the Milky Way, perhaps illuminating the way for future generations of explorers. So there you have it. 5 mind-blowing facts about the Milky Way. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe. Let's keep exploring together. Thanks for watching and see you next time.